Okay, let me show you a glitch. This is a Ferrari Roma. And there's a glitch that I found. What I want is AC on, then recirculation on. Okay, so this is what it is. So let's say I turn on the AC, and then AC is on, right? And then recirculation is on. That means the air, outside air, doesn't come in, so it's recirculating inside air. I don't like outside air because sometimes there's pollution, you know. But then when you turn off, let's say I turn off, right? Then has to stay like that. But then see, you turned off. That means recirculation button turned off. That means the outside air is coming in. I mean, no wonder. I mean, when I'm driving, and if it is like this, then air comes in from the outside. I don't like that. So I turn this on so that there's no AC, but then the recirculation on, but then automatically this turns on. So I turn off. See, this turns off. That's weird. So this car can only be done like this. So when the AC is on, then you can turn on or off. But then when the AC or the air vent is off, then the recirculation gets off. So there's no way when the when you have no AC or no air, you cannot do recirculation on. So you have to always have outside air coming in. Isn't that weird? That's so weird. So I went to the Ferrari dealer. They couldn't find out. And then we tested everything. That's how it is. That's what it is. If someone else knows something else, then let me know, okay?